The first couple of days, he was kind of scared of her. She was so tiny and outgoing and charismatic. She wanted to play with him all the time, but he didn't know that he could be a puppy. She just kept at him. She would nip at his feet all the time. She would nip at his tail. She would pull it sometimes and bark. She would just keep barking until he recognized her. The first time that he ran with her and figured out that she would chase him, it was on then. He figured out that he could be interactive with her. When she didn't want to share a toy, he was super gentle anyway, as if he knew that he was supposed to be gentle with her and that she was tiny.
Volume and play this sound for your dog and see what happens.